Ang question ni G is for everybody, including Baron, no? If whoever wants to reply daw, the series touches on heavy themes like conflict and religion. So on a personal level, how do you deal with these real-life issues? Ang hirap talaga pag yun ang paksa, no? Religion and conflict. So paano niyo yun, on a personal level, paano niyo raw yun dinideal?
Ako po, binabase ko lang po lahat sa script. So, nandun po tumatakbo yung utak ko, yung mundo ko.
You trust the writers,
I trust
no?
the writers. I trust all of my directors here kung ano yung sinulat nila because they know best.
Yeah.
Kasi sila po yung nag-research. And pag may mga hindi po ako naiintindihan, talagang lumalapit po ako kina Direk Rico, Direk FMR, Direk Bijoy. And nung pinanood ko na po kanina, talagang napawaw talaga ako. Sobrang galing ni Richard. Sobrang galing ng lahat ng actors dito. Si Bella, si Direk Je, this woman, si Lady in Red. Sobrang galing. So sobrang grateful ako kay Ma'am JRB na ikinast po ako dito. Biglaan din po ang pagkasa akin dito. So hinablot po ako sa BQ.
Oo.
At naipasok po ako dito ni Tita Cory. So
Right.
thank you, Tita Cory. And ayun, wonderful cast. Tito Jaime, everyone. Talagang I'm a fan ng lahat ng mga tao dito. So,
All right. Thank you, Baron. Maraming salamat. Gerald and Richard from G, how was it working together for the first time?
So far, so good. Sobrang, it's like parang meron akong partner in crime. You know, syempre galing din po ako sa Sins of the Father. You know, medyo amazing cast, amazing writers, pero syempre yung parang yung bigat ng parang umikot sa akin. And now we have, kumbaga parang there's two of us. And then napakaganda ng kwento ng side ni Marcos, napakaganda ng kwento ng side ni Jalil. And paano nagka-clash yung dalawang kwento na yan. But working with him personally, we had a fight scene, not the fight scene na nasa trailer, but the other one na medyo pamadaling araw kami natatapos. And I was like, kind of expecting na baka, pagod na rin kami the whole day. Nagtatakbuhan, naghahabol lang kami, binabaril ako ni, hindi pala ako pwede ikwento yun. Pero hinahabol ako ni Felix, character ni Baron. So, I thought hindi namin matatapos. But, yung energy niya was the same as nung 8 a.m. in the morning. So, when you get to work with people like that, I mean, buong cast, but when you get to work with people like that, na sobrang passionate din, kahit mahirap po yung ginagawa namin, it makes it all worth it.
Can't complain, di ba? Chard, where do you get the energy? Kinakwento niya.
From him, also. Kasi Gerald is energetic too. Like, yun nga, he was saying na we were doing a fight scene madaling araw, di ba? Of course, he's athletic, and, I have to up my game as well, syempre. And, we're guided by Erwin Tagle, who's also very energetic. So,
To say the least.
so, yun, pag fight scene, pag action talaga kahit anong oras pa. But it's great working with Gerald, such a team player. Gaya nga ng sabi niya, siguro, what he was trying to say is meron kaming kasab. Pare, sub muna, di ba? Kumbaga may papasahan kami ng bola and, and it makes things lighter. I mean, in terms of pressure and everything.
Paano yung sub?
Hindi naman.
Ako muna. Ikaw na muna.
Okay.
Kumbaga, yung workload namin, kasi syempre yung workload namin,
Yeah.
So he's doing my storyline si Jalil, my storyline si Marcos, and I think that's what makes the story great as well, the series great, na paano mag-intertwine yung story namin dalawa, it makes it very interesting.
Kanina nga dun sa screening namin, nung sa abangan part na parang nagkita yung dalawang characters namin ulit na nararamdaman ko yung energy sa crowd na parang, yan na sila, magkikita na sila ulit. And that was actually the fight scene na sinasabi ko na, hindi kami sumuko. And it's very hard na, but Yeah, it's been a no, it's been a blessing.
Who's your director do sa fight scene na yun?
Si Direk Rico ata yun eh. Si Direk Rico.
Direk Rico, how was
si
it
Direk Rico
directing Richard and Jay?
Hindi ko yung kwento.
Kaya mo yan, tol.
Hindi, madali lang. Madali lang kasi...
No, kasi I can say Rico is the youngest, with all due respect, to Direk FM and Bijoy, di ba? So Rico, paano mo hinandle tong dalawang to? In
Siyempre,
terms...
ginaguide naman ako ni Direk Erwin.
Okay,
Actually,
tag
Direk-
team kayong
Si
dalawa.
Direk Erwin lahat yan. Ako lang magpupwesto ng camera and yung mga shots, pero fight scenes sa kanya talaga yan. Tapos,
Yeah, pero
may mga bato rin sila. So,
Yeah,
lahat
yeah,
yan.
yeah, yeah.
Collaboration kasi yan.
Nagbabatuhan kami.
Nagbabato kami
Ideas.
ng...
Oo.
Tsaka
Kaya,
bote.
bote, lahat binabato namin.
Pero when you say, I think something that we can be proud of dito, kapag sinasabi mo fight scene namin, katulad ng napanood nyo kanina or sa trailer, kapag may fight scene, lagi pong may laman yung fight scene namin. It's not just a fight scene para to say na gumagawa kami ng action. There's always a
May kwento rin
kwento
yung fight.
behind it. So pag napanood nyo po kung bakit ko siya hinahabol ng Chris, may dahilan po yun. Kaya sana po sa simula pa lang ay mapanood nyo, masimulan nyo because there's always a reason. For me, necessarily, hindi yung pinaka-fight scene ang pinaka-importante sa akin. It's what it leads up to. Yan ang importante para mas sabog pag
Okay.
nagkita. Yeah.
So, when we create the fight scene, maraming inputs, ingredients, di ba? So, hindi pwede lumagpas naman yung action dun sa story. So, talagang we have to sit down and think about kung ano talaga ipapakita. Siyempre, we follow the script, but siyempre, we talk also, then, daming inputs from our actors. But, yung nakita nyo, yun yung finished product. Lahat yun, collaboration ng lahat. Ng directors,
Kaya kami inabot ng
creatives.
madaling araw.
Actually, I'm curious, sa mga directors, no, was there a scene na sobrang hirap i-mount? Was there a particular, baka top of your head, top of mind?
From the get-go, walang madali. Kasi
Okay.
we really pour ourselves into every scene that we mount. And then, it's really very inspiring kasi these people, they also collaborate, they also give their ideas para mas malaman talaga yung mga eksena. So, pero kung walang madali. Di ba? I mean, lahat kasi may meaning eh. Lahat kailangan maitawid namin yung
Right.
message. Kasi it's not just, where we're handling a very delicate, di ba, theme. And we need to inform our audience, which is really yung gusto nating ma-achieve here. So, yun.
Si Direk FM, baka meron kang scene in your head na parang, this was difficult, looking back.
In my 34 years with ABS-CBN, this is the most difficult show I've done. Ganun kadaling i-describe. No?
Elaborate, Direk.
And nabanggit kanina ni Ma'am JRB na there was a deadline. I should like to give credit to my 2 co-directors. In all of my shows, I get to template it. This time, no. Sabay-sabay po kaming bumubuo ng show. And, these 2 guys are very humble. Rico has been an assistant director for the longest time and he was just promoted. But, he's the future of the company. Bijoy, I've always been a fan of his visuals, the way he frames and looks at things. It's very filmic. And the most important thing that these 2 guys have is generosity. Ang hirap mag-pilot ng show kasi, any artist can look at the material in a very different light. So if there are 10 directors, these 10 directors will look at the material differently. Hindi po nagbubuhat ako ng sariling bangko namin, pero kanina dun sa mga nakapanood sa inyo sa sinihan, hindi nyo naramdaman na may pagkakaiba sa trabaho. I'm so thankful to these 2 directors kasi napaka-humble nila.
Yun yung sinasabi ni JRB kanina, that the challenge of stitching it.
Yes.
Diba?
Yung difficulty, alam mo, hindi kami makasuko kahit nagkakasakit na, nahihirapan, kasi napakaganda ng material. And I think that's what's been said all throughout this meeting, it's not easy, no? Na mag-mount ng lahat they're into it. Lahat may opinion.
Right.
Lahat may gagawin, may gustong i-contribute. And for us, it's just, para kang may piyesta araw-araw na tinitignan mo na lang, which is, in-streamline mo, which is best for the show.
Nice.
Can I just
Go ahead, Chard.
yeah, can I just add Direk FMR, such a great director. Thank you, Direk, for everything. He really brings out the best in his actors, I think. And, I never really understood that in the beginning, entering the JRB unit. But once I worked with Direk FM Reyes, the first day that I worked with him, I knew right away that, okay, this guy is a genius. He's a genius director, and he brings out the best in his actors. Thank you so much, Direk.
Chard, your first time?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
Chard.
Chard, first time with Direct FM?
First time
First
with Direk
time.
FM Reyes.
Got it.
Yes.
Barbie, you want to say something?
Ako rin po, gusto kong i-take yung pagkakataon na to say thank you to Direk FM Reyes. This is the first time po that we work, but I am very close with Mama Ana, of course. I worked with her sa Araw Gabi, but we have amazing directors, Direk Bejoy, Direk Rico, of course, Kuya Erwin too. But Direk FM Reyes, he is like a father to me. Like, bawat eksena ko po, yung mga iyakan kong eksena, grabe, sobrang hirap po kasi halos araw-araw na taping ko, iiyak talaga ako. As in, came to the point na I talked to my life coach, like, naguguluhan na ako.
So yun ang duty mo sa seryeng ito, umiyak?
Magpaiyak. Like,
Okay.
ang dami ko nang iyakan. It was getting heavy na for me, but Direk FMR, he was always there. As in, hindi niya ako pinapabayaan. And I'm very thankful. Thank you, Tatay, for all your efforts. Thank you so much.
Bella, is this also your first time to work with Direct FM? How is it?
I agree with Richard. Actually, it's the first time I've seen Richard. Sorry, because I've worked with Richard before, and I think we also did an action show before, and I think he focused on the action side more. Tsaka nung time na yun, ang iksi lang kasi nung show namin. Pero dito, grabe, he's focusing on his acting more. And I think the credit goes to Direct FM. Kasi, no, I really think so. Kasi when he talks to us on set, he gives us different directions. Nakikinig ako kung ano sinasabi niya kay Richard. Iba yung kinukwento niya kay Richard, iba yung kinukwento niya sa akin. Na minsan nakikinig ako, wait lang, parang mas maganda yung sinabi niya kay Richard dito. Pero sa next angle, teka, pero mas maganda yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Ang competitive mo talaga, Bella. Wala akong masabi.
Pero dun sa shot ko na, ay, mas maganda yung sinabi niya sa akin dito. So magpapatulo na ako ng luha dito. Hindi, pero kidding aside, Direct FMR really knows how to talk to each and one of us. Like, he studied us. He knows us personally. Like, he took time to actually know us.
Right.
So he can work better with us. Like, may isang scene kami ni Richard na tulala ako kasi naging audience niya ako dun sa scene. Like, it was so good. Yung meron siyang eksena na sinisigaw niya si Harold direct sa office. It was such a simple scene. It didn't have to be big. It didn't have to be emotional. But I was so moved. Like, gusto kong pumalakpak after. Parang, ay, audience ba ako dito? Galing-galing ni Richard. So watch out for that scene. Watch out for all of our scenes. And I think because of that guidance, lahat kami nagka-homework na bit-bitin yung mga tinuturo niya sa amin sa ibang units. So ngayon, we're very mindful na because he's giving us these gifts, these bilins, pag lumilipat kami ng ibang unit, ganado kami na parang, teka, ito yung sinabi ni Direk FMR sa akin. Yeah,
Yes.
kailangan ito yung gawin ko. So thank you,
Nice.
Direk, for those gifts. Maraming salamat.
Nakakapangliit, MJ, kasi your first responsibility in a story is to study the character. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, mahirap tumahi sa aming tatlo. Tapos kailangan namin magkasundo-sundo. So kung mayroon kang nailatag dun sa isang artista, ibibilin mo para maalagaan. Kasi 'di ba, it's a play between the director and then the actor. And you see, for any actor who's going to work with you for the first time, trust is always an issue.
That's true.
Trust is always an issue. Will always be an issue. Ganon din naman yung director eh. Kaya nga, sabi ni Bella kanina, yung parang nagugulat siya kasi nagre-research din po ako sa kanila. Ano yung working attitude nila? Kasi at the end of the day, it's not even about our ego. Alam mo yun, yung hindi ka naman pumupunta sa dahil meron kang ego or may attitude ka, pumupunta ka doon, bilang director, iniisip mo paano sila makakarating doon sa state of emotion at doon sa character. And, well, it's up to either both of you kasi just as they will question trust, ikaw din naman bilang director, may tiwala ka ba sa kanya? Kakayanin niya ba o hindi? And, you know, in any project that you work with, pwede namang hindi mo gusto yung artista eh. Pwede rin namang fan ka ng artista. Di ba? Mahirap kapag hindi kayo magkasundo, tapos kailangan mo siyang mahalin kasi may character kayong bubuuin, may istorya kayong ibibigay, bubuuin. And ako, sa tingin ko, that the personal reasons are the least of your concern. Ang priority mo is the story and then the character. I'm thankful because, for one, hindi naman yata magiging superstar itong mga katrabahong ito kung hindi sila ganun katalino, number one. Ano? Kung hindi rin sila ganun kadisiplinado sa trabaho nila. Funny kasi ako, pangarap kong makatrabaho si Bella eh. Because my wife and my daughter are big fans of her work. She's not just an actress, but she's an author also. And they find her, kanina lang habang nasa screening, nasa likod ko yung misis ko nung nakita na si Bella, may kalabit ng kalabit. Si Bella. Oo, mamaya. It's not, siguro, maswerte kami, nabigyan po kami ng mga artistang may malasakit sa trabaho. Nice. Nag-aaral at nag-iisip at intellectual. So, wala rin naman po akong hindi ko pwedeng paboran ng isa sa kanila dahil parehas silang, they've proven their worth in working with me. Si Gerald for Sins of the Father, and now, ayoko kasing buhatin ang bangko ng sarili kong artista at ng sarili naming trabaho. But I can say that this is Richard's best.
Wow. Reaction lang, Chard?
Talaga ba? Yeah, I'm thankful. You know, entering this project, I had a mindset. I really want to give my best, trust my directors, trust the creatives, and just trust the process again. And just continue being a student of this craft.
Nice.
Yeah, so that was my mindset. And I found a great mentor in Direct FMR. And of course, our brilliant directors, Direct Bijoy, Direct Rico. It's been such an honor working with this group. It's been hard, tiring physically, emotionally, but it's all worth it.
Thank you, Chard.